Today on Cooking with Kyle, we will be making cherry cheesecake egg rolls. And to make these egg rolls, we'll be using my new air fryer. I'll also be using my new spoon holder. So this is a new recipe I'm trying out that I got from Lisa Snyder. The first thing you need is these egg roll wraps. And it tells you on the back how to fold them. And it looks almost like a little postage envelope. So we'll see how that goes for me. You need, this is no-bake cheesecake filling. And she said that there's 20 in here. And she said that to do that, you'll need about half of a thing. And then your choice of pie filling. I have cherry here. You could also do blueberry. I would like to do strawberry sometime. And then I've got a little bit of water here to help me seal my egg roll wraps. And would you look at that? These egg rolls are vegan. Okay, so I've opened my egg rolls and I've got one egg roll wrap out here. And then I'm going to open my cherry pie filling. Now, I think I'm not going to make all of these today because there's just me and I don't think I'll eat them all. And I was told they were better if they're fresh. So, also, I don't really know how much to put on here. So this first one's just going to kind of be an experiment. Then I'm going to open my cheesecake filling. Maybe, I don't know, I'm just going to try about a spoonful of each. See how well that wraps up. Okay, so the way that it says to wrap these on the instructions is to fold the bottom up and then fold the sides in.
Fold the bottom up, fold the sides in, and then, well, I don't know, that's what it looks like, and that's what it looks like. I think I need to kind of square that off a little better. And so
Now you're supposed to take a little bit of water and get it wet so that it will stick, I guess. So maybe I can also do that on this side. So now that we've done one, I kind of figured out that I think it needs to be a little bit longer, spread out, and maybe not quite so much as what I did before. So I've done a little bit less cheesecake filling this time. And I'm also going to try to make sure that this is more square when I fold it over. And just like that. Okay, I'm going to do a few more of these, and then I'm going to pop the first batch in the air fryer. Okay, so we're going to preheat our air fryer to about 370, 375-ish. And according to the instructions, if you put it for about 3 minutes, it will preheat. So I've got 4 completed. As you can see, I'm getting a little neater as I go. And so while that's preheating, I'm going to make one more, and I think I'm going to try to do 5 at a time. By the time I preheated, I actually had 7 done. So I'm going to see how many fit in here. That first one is a little bit bigger. I don't think I'm going to get 5 going at the same time. Here. I don't know. I can probably get 4 from now on after that first big one. All right, so I'm going to put them in. This is a 3-quart air fryer. So it's not very big. I'm going to put them in for about a little bit under 5 minutes, I think, and then I'm going to flip them over. All right, so 5 minutes have went by, and I have a mess. So I'm not sure if they were supposed to explode like that. I'm going to try to get in here and flip them over. Ouch, it's hot. They seem very crispy the way they are. I don't really think they're going to need that much longer. I might put them in for just another minute. I'm going to definitely have to clean my basket before I do the next batch. So that's what they look like after about another minute. I'm going to take these off and I'm going to clean this out and then we're going to try another batch. Okay, so I wiped out most of what leaked out. And I'm going to try to fit 4 in here this time.
Yeah.
We'll try 4. And this time, I'm going to just try to do 4 minutes. And see what happens. Okay, time's up again. I have a little bit less oozage this time. It's still pretty hot to get my hands in there.
I'm going to flip them. Ouch.
Whole cherry coming out there. Okay, and then we'll put them back just for maybe a couple minutes. So after that, we have a lot of oozage. So that was probably too long, but we are gonna figure this out. They're definitely hot.
So, somewhere between there is probably the sweet spot. Ouch!
Okay, now I'm gonna go wipe this out again so that we can try the last batch. Okay, they always say that the third time's the charm, so this is my third and last batch for today. Let's see if we can find that sweet spot between just done enough and not oozing all of the filling out. So I'm gonna try 4 minutes this time. Actually, I set it more on about 3 because I think 4 minutes is what I just did. So we're gonna try it after 3 and see what it looks like. All right, so that was about 4 minutes. I've got just a little bit of oozage. I'm not sure. They still look, ouch, not quite brown enough. But I'm gonna be careful because I don't want them to ooze all of their guts out again. All right, so I'm gonna go so that was 3 minutes. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna just go 1 minute. I'm just gonna go 1 minute and see what they look like and then maybe go 1 more minute. So it's been another minute and they didn't really ooze, ouch! They didn't really ooze anymore, but they still could be a little more brown. So I'm gonna put them back in just for another minute. All right, so I've got one that's starting to ooze and the other 2 really aren't much oozing more. So I'm gonna call that done, I guess. Let's see if we can.
Try to do this without burning myself for once. That one right there did not ooze out any at all.
So here they are. There they are, all 10 of my cherry cheesecake egg rolls. This one is the best as far as keeping its contents inside of it. The rest have oozed out some. This one lost almost all of its insides. So this part shouldn't have to be necessary, but, you know, I'm not as good as Dave, and this is what happens when you burn yourself. Okay, get a little bit there. I burnt myself a few times doing this. All right, so for the plating, I'm gonna pick one of these, and I'm gonna pick one of these earlier ones that is hopefully not just a ball of hot lava to burn my mouth off with. And that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna try it out. So this is a cherry cheesecake egg roll. I could just bite into it, but again, I don't know how much of this is just gonna be ridiculously hot lava. Mmm, very, very good.